The law of cosines is used to find the missing parts of an oblique triangle, whether two sides and an angle are already known, or three sides are known. With this, we can establish a proportion and promptly use the law of sines.
So, in this example, we will be showing you how to do the law of cosines. We will be trying to solve the side of V only knowing that the angle of V is equal to 55, that the side of A is equal to 13, and then the side of C is equal to 19. So, we will put the law of cosines, and then we will transfer all the numbers. So, A is equal to 13, C is equal to 19, and the cosine of V will be cosine of 55. So then we will do the adding up, and we will see that we have 169 plus 361 minus 494 times 0.5735. So then we would just keep adding up the numbers and multiplying them before doing the minus. So it will be 530 minus 283.309. So b squared would be, doing the minus, would give us at 246.6532. So then we would just do the square root of it, which would give us that b is equal to 15.752 centimeters. So then we would just put the number in it, and that's it. That's your answer.
In order to calculate for the angle, using the law of cosines, one must use the following formula. b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2 times b times c. The letters being relative to the sides of the triangle. Once that value is found, one must find the inverse of the cosine of that value, and then they will get the answer and thus reveal the value of the angle.
Calculate the elements of an oblique angle triangle if we know that A is equal to 19 centimeters, B equal to 24 centimeters, and C 13 centimeters. We're going to use the law of cosines as long as we made the clearances correctly. Since we clear, we start by substituting our values. Cosine of A is equal to 24 square plus 13 square minus 19 square divided by 2 times 24 times 13. Cosine of A is equal to 384 divided by 624 is equal to 0.1615. We clear for A, so we have cosine to the power of minus 1 times 0.1615. A is equal to 52.04. Calculate the elements of an oblique angle triangle if we know that A is equal to 19 centimeters, B equal to 24 centimeters, and C 13 centimeters. We're going to use the law of cosines as long as we made the clearances correctly. Since we clear, we start by substituting our values. Cosine of A is equal to 24 square plus 13 square minus 19 square divided by 2 times 24 times 13. Cosine of A is equal to 384 divided by 624 is equal to 0.1615. We clear for A, so we have cosine to the power of minus 1 times 0.1615 A is equal to 52.04. Now we are going to calculate the cosine of C. We know that our original formula is substituted, so we have cosine C equals to A squared plus B squared minus C squared divided by 2 times A times B. We substitute our values. Cosine C is equal to 19 squared plus 24 squared minus 13 squared divided by 2 times 19 times 24. Cosine C is equal to 728 divided by 912. Cosine C is equal to 0.7982. We clear for C. So now we have cosine to the power of minus 1 times 0.7982. C is equal to 37.04. Since we have our angle AM and C, we take the angle B. We have both angles, and the result, we subtract 180. So our angle B is 90.92.